Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you the latest Hostinger n8n coupon code for February 2026 that gets you an extra 20% discount on all Hostinger plans and services. Now, here's what makes my code special. When you use my link, you don't just get the standard 10% discount that most codes offer. You get a full 20% off and a free domain included. That's double the savings compared to a regular coupon code. I've dropped the discount link in the description and comment section, organized in ascending order so you can easily find the code for your specific country, optimized for your local currency and language. Just click the link and it takes you straight to the Hostinger official website. Once you're there, head to the Services button on the navbar. You'll see all the Hostinger plans available, and my 20% discount applies to every single one of them. Today, I'm focusing on the self-hosted n8n plan. You'll see options like KVM1, KVM2, KVM4, and KVM8. I'm going with the KVM2 plan today, but feel free to pick whichever suits your needs. When you reach checkout, the 20% discount and your free .com domain will be applied automatically, no manual code needed. Pro tip: always use a fresh email address to make sure you get the best deal possible. If this helped you save money, drop a like and hit subscribe. Love n8n automation. See you in the next one.